गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, 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 शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। सिद्धि सदन गज बदन विनायक, 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 कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक, कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब लायक, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। मोदक प्रिय मुद मंगल दाता, 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 विद्या वारिधि बुद्धि विधाता, विद्या वारिधि बुद्धि विधाता, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन। मांगत योगी जन कर जोरे, 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 बसहु श्री माता जी मानस मोरे, बसहु श्री माता जी मानस मोरे, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, शंकर सुवन भवानी नंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए गणपति जगवंदन, गाइए
जय श्री माता जी। विश्व के सभी सहयोगियों का सुबह के ध्यान सत्र में हार्दिक स्वागत है। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी को नमन करके दोनों हाथ श्री माँ के दिव्य फोटो की तरफ ध्यान में बैठते हैं। अपने आप को माँ से जोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं। माँ से एकाकारिता स्थापित करते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी कृपा करके हम सब बच्चों को अपने चित्त में ले लीजिए। श्री माता जी, आप हमें चित्त की शक्ति से आशीर्वादित करें ताकि हमारा चित्त सदा आपके श्री चरणों में बना रहे। चित्त सहस्त्रार पे रख के सामूहिक बंधन लेते हैं। लेट अस हैव कलेक्टिव बंधन। अपना चित्त हृदय में लाना है। श्री माता जी कृपावंत होकर आप हमारे हृदय में विराजिए। श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में मैं केवल आत्मा हूँ। आज का ध्यान सत्र शुरू करने की कृपया हमें अनुमति प्रदान करें। ध्यान की शुरुआत 3 महामंत्र तत्पश्चात श्री गणेश मंत्र से करते हैं।
श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कलकी साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री गणेश साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
जय श्री माता जी। संतुलन करने के लिए अपना सीधा हाथ पृथ्वी तत्व पर रखते हैं। अपने चित्त को ईड़ा नाड़ी और सहस्रार दोनों जगह एक साथ महसूस करते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में सामूहिकता के ईड़ा नाड़ी में जितने भी बाधक तत्व है उसे पृथ्वी तत्व द्वारा दूर कर दीजिए। श्री माता जी, सामूहिकता की ईड़ा नाड़ी को शुद्ध कर दीजिए। श्री माता जी, by your grace, please clear our left side. राइट हैंड गोद में, लेफ्ट हैंड आकाश की तरफ। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में सामूहिकता के पिंगला नाड़ी में जितने भी बाधक तत्व है उसे आकाश तत्व द्वारा दूर कर दीजिए। श्री माता जी, सामूहिकता की पिंगला नाड़ी को शुद्ध कर दीजिए। श्री माता जी, बाय योर ग्रेस प्लीज क्लियर आवर राइट साइड। लेफ्ट हैंड गोद में, दोनों हाथ सामने, चित्त मध्य नाड़ी पर। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में सामूहिकता की सुषुम्ना नाड़ी के समस्त बाधक तत्वों को आप निकाल दीजिए, ताकि सामूहिकता अपने शक्ति को पूर्ण रूप से सहस्रार पर महसूस कर सके। श्री माता जी, कृपा कर हमें संतुलन दीजिए, हमें वर्तमान में रखें। अपना चित्त मूलाधार चक्र पर, श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में सामूहिकता के मूलाधार चक्र पर श्री गणेश तत्व प्रस्थापित कीजिए। सामूहिकता के सभी चक्रों पर श्री गणेश तत्व प्रस्थापित कीजिए। चित्त मूलाधार पर, श्री कुंडलिनी गौरी माता। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कुंडलिनी गौरी माता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी, श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। अपना चित्त मध्य नाड़ी से सहस्रार चक्र पर लाते हैं। लेट अस ब्रिंग आवर अटेंशन टू सहस्रारा। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में हमें निर्विचारिता प्रदान करें। श्री माता जी, आपके चरण कमलों का दर्शन हमें अपने सहस्रार पर दीजिए। श्री माता जी, कृपा कर हमें ध्यान की स्थिति प्रदान करें। इसी ध्यान की अवस्था में अमृतवाणी ग्रहण करते हैं। सहस्रार पूजा 1984।
It is so wonderful for your mother to see so many beautiful Sahajogis assembled together on this day of Sahasrar. I think the first era of Sahaja Yoga has ended now and new has started. In the first era of Sahaja Yoga, the starting point was first the opening of the Sahasrara, and gradually it's not on my and gradually moving towards the completion, I find there are so many who are great Sahaja Yogis today. The first one was, we can say, is just the awakening of the Kundalini. It is a very natural process of growth that you have gone through. Piercing the fontanelle bone area. As you see on top of your head, these bandhans, that's how you too have in your head, same way. And you have the chakras, same way built in your Sahasrara. So in the first era of Sahaja Yoga, we have awakened the deities in your centers, in the medulla oblongata and also in the brain. But now the time has come for us to spread it on a horizontal level. And to move it on the horizontal level, we have to understand how to go about it. Like the 7 colors of the rainbow, we have got 7 colors of the light of these centers or the chakras. And when we started from the back, from the Muladhara, bringing it up to this side, Agya, then it is placed in a different order if you see it clearly. I mean to say that in the Sahasrara, because it's a concave replacement, it is important to understand that the center of the fontanelle bone area corresponds to our heart. Heart is the pivotal point for the second Irana. I hope you understand what I mean. If you have to place your attention to Sahasrara, first thing you have to do is to pay attention to your heart. In the Sahasrara, the heart chakra and the heart itself, the Atma, coincide. The Jagadamba becomes one with the heart. That is the heart. So we see that here the yoga takes place. At this point of time, it is very important to understand that we have to take a bigger step. The whole Sahasrara moves in this way. All these chakras throw their lights in this way in a clockwise manner, and this axis is the heart. So the essence of all the religions, of all the prophets, of all the incarnations is compassion, and is placed in this chakra of heart. Thus we understand that in the second era, now we have to have compassion. It's the manifestation now of the compassion. If God Almighty had no compassion, He would not have created this great universe. Actually, His power or the Adi Shakti is the embodiment of His compassion. And this compassion has brought forth all the evolution to human level and even your emancipation as Sahaja-yogis. And compassion is always completely covered with forgiveness. You can see the Trinity meets at this point. Of God is forgiveness, is the embodiment of forgiveness. So the God Almighty, who is the witness, the mother who is the compassion, and the child who is the forgiveness, all of them meet at heart chakra in the Sahasrara. Now one must learn how to improve Sahasrara itself. You know the presiding deity of the Sahasrara very well. The place of Sahasrara is in your head as you think it to be, but it's just the center of the whole universe. To develop this, you have to pay attention to your heart chakra in the fontanelle bone area. If you pay attention to the fontanelle bone area, then there you must establish the deity. But this deity has to be first established into the heart. You are very lucky people that you have the deity in person with you. The people who got realization before you people, I came on this earth, had to imagine the deities. And in that imagination, they were never perfect. But as they say that at Sahasrara, she is Mahamaya. That is how it is described. If you also see the person, you may not be knowing fully that person or in the perfect way or a complete way, because Mahamaya Shakti is much greater than your imagination. That's why one has to surrender. With your limited imagination or brain, one cannot see the deity. So it is said she is Bhakti Gamya. You can know through bhakti, through devotion. So the devotion has to be there, but the devotion has to be a very clean devotion, in the sense there should be no malice in the heart. Heart should be clean. Heart, to keep it clean is very difficult. Always human beings have a relative understanding of reality. Reality is absolute. So to achieve that, one has to get rid of all the other kind of impurities that are within the heart. So in the beginning, we try to achieve our realization not with very clean heart. At that time, we had lots of attachments. We were identified with false things. And also, we thought by getting realization we'll become very powerful people. After realization, also, we started indulging into pet things. We started asking for favors for our relations, friends, mothers, sisters. And the women thought of their husbands and their brothers. They all asked for the blessings of all those with whom they were entangled. All this entanglement you got over, I know, very soon. Now the job of a avatara is such that he has to fulfill the desires of his bhaktas. For example, Sri Krishna was asked by gopis that we want you to be with us individually, with every one of us. So he divided himself into many Krishnas and he was with every one of them. So he divided himself into many Krishnas and he was with every one of them. Asked me about your brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers. I tried to do that whatever was possible. Also the kshema that you asked for, the ashrams you asked for, all the things that you needed was there for your desire to be fulfilled. So at the Krishna's level it was yoga kshema vahamyam. So the kshema was looked after at Krishna's level because it was promised.
That's good.
What next in the new era that has to come? As you have now good families, good ashrams, good jobs, everyone is happy. Let us think of the next era. Next era is of compassion, as I told. But any one of the chakras are weak in you still. The light that becomes white because of the 7 colors may dim out or may be defective. So all the chakras that are within us are to be looked after. To pay attention to every chakra and put compassion, the feeling of compassion on these chakras. Let us take the chakra of Sri Ganesha. You pay attention to Sri Ganesha and establish him through your thought, because now your thought is divine, in the Muladhara chakra. Here now you have to know that in the first era of Sahaja Yoga I could not have talked of these things to you. This is much subtler doing. Now put your feeling on that chakra. Chakra is the Pradesha, is the country, and the king is Sri Ganesh. And that's the country. Now when you put your attention onto that chakra, put your feelings towards him. A feeling of love and adoration to him to begin with. And then to manifest compassion, you have to ask nothing but one thing, that, O God of innocence, give innocence to all the people of the world. But first, you have to be innocent to ask that, otherwise it is unauthorized asking, or you can say you have no right to ask. So, to understand innocence, you should try to understand yourself, how your mind is working. When you say, look at anyone, do you feel that you should possess that person? Do you feel unduly attracted, or something base feeling comes into your mind? For an innocent person, when he sees a beautiful person or a woman or a beautiful scene or a beautiful creation, the first thing should happen that he becomes thoughtless. There is no thought. So if there is no thought, there is no question of having any expression of possessiveness or any kind of a baser feeling. But if you pray to Sri Ganesha, also unauthorized a little bit, that please make me innocent, so that I am empowered to ask you for this boon, that wherever I go, I become the source of innocence, so that I emit innocence. When people look at me, they feel I am innocent. This is compassion. The compassion to ask Him to give you the power of compassion itself. So that, as you see here, these beautiful centers, as if the light starts moving horizontally, starts moving on the sympathetic nervous system. So you become the powerful innocence yourself. You don't become stupid or childish, but you become childlike. The whole behavior is extremely dignified and innocent. Normally, if you find a person who is dignified, is not an innocent person, because he puts up a show. It's a deliberation to become serious and show that he's very dignified to impress others. And child doesn't put up the show of innocence, of dignity or anything, because the child is not aware of deliberations. But you develop that rare combination of innocent dignity. Now the other quality of, say, Sri Ganesha starts expressing itself on horizontal level, that you become discreet. That is a power, I am again saying, the power of discretion you develop. One must understand the difference between the power of discretion and discretion itself. So the power means it acts. For example, you may not speak, but if you are standing somewhere, the discretion itself will act in the situation. Like a Sahajogi, supposing, is a good Sahajogi, is going in a train, and the train has an accident. Mostly it will not have, but has. Nobody will die. So you establish the discretion, which is power itself, that acts by itself. You don't have to say that you act, it acts, but you just become the vehicle, a beautiful, clean vehicle of that discretion. Then you should believe, now you are spreading horizontally. In the first era of Sahaja Yoga, you needed to see me in person. You needed to see me in person. As we say in Sanskrit, Dheya is the target. You wanted the target in front of you. Whatever is to be achieved. Because there is no word in English language, what to do? So now, when you wanted that all the time, and you felt happy, secured, joyous, when you had that in person before you. Then, in the second era, now you will not desire so much that mother should be there. You will take it over from me. This is the divine desire I am telling you about. And you have to work on that from today onwards. I am with you, you know that. But need not be in this body, because I don't know if I exist in this body or not. But once this desire starts working, you will see tremendous miracles happening. It is so connected with the whole thing. In your divine desire also it is connected. And it is very evident when you are a divine person. So you may find me anywhere. You are walking on the street, suddenly you might find Mataji walking with you. So this is the second era we have started, and you should not be shocked if you see me sitting on your bed and putting my hand on your head. Or you may see me in the form of Christ walking into your room, or as Sri Rama. That has to happen. You should be prepared. Already so many miracles have taken place on you, but on a grosser level, you have seen the light coming on my head, and the photographs have shown some miracles to you. But many things will happen that you will see something that you could never imagine. This has to happen just to convince you that you have reached a certain height of your evolution in the new area of Pragyalok. Because this is a new state into which now you will be entering on a horizontal basis. In this area, you will give up asking for gross things. In this area, you will give up asking for gross things.
Dans cette dimension, vous renoncerez à demander des bénédictions à un niveau grossier.
And also for anything subtler. The asking will disappear, and that is the time you will become very powerful. Whatever I say happens, as you know. Only thing I cannot command you to be evolved. The Kundalini's work in you has been done quite a lot. The new work of compassion, of spreading it to others, has to be done by you. As the light grows brighter and brighter, the area it covers becomes bigger and bigger. You become the giver of compassion. In my last lecture, which you have heard already, I have requested you how to do tapa. With a complete surrendered mind, you have to go through the pilgrimage, say, of this castle. This is one of the glimpses of the tapa that you have to do, because I am told some of you had to get into little difficulties, and you people suffered a little bit on your way for the pilgrimage. But it is fun. To be venturesome and to get into places where the devils dare not go. And if you know how to get fun out of the so-called discomforts, then you should know you are on the right lines. And as you start becoming discreet automatically, you should know you are progressing well. As you become more peaceful and your temper vanishes in the thin air, as soon as you see somebody attacking you, then know that you are progressing well. As soon as you see an ordeal or a calamity falling on the personality and you do not get worried about it, then know that you are progressing. No amount of artificiality
Sachez que vous progressez bien.
can impress you, then know that you are progressing. No amount of material well-being in others makes you unhappy, no more unhappy, then know that you are progressing well. No amount of labor or troubles are sufficient to become a Sahaja-yogi. Whatever you may try, one cannot become a Sahaja-yogi. While you have got it without any effort, so you are something special. This, once you understand that you are special, you will become humble about it. Then, when it happens to you that you humble down, when you see you have achieved something, that you have some powers, that you are emitting innocence, that you are discreet, and as a result of that you become more compassionate, humbler personality, a sweeter personality, then you should believe that you are in the heart of your mother. This is
Vous
what
êtes dans le cœur de votre mère.
is the sign of the new Sahajogi now, in the new era, who has to move with new force, where you will grow so fast that without meditation you will be in meditation. Without being in my presence, you will be in my presence. Without asking, you will be blessed by your Father. This is what you are in for, and again I welcome you to this new era today, on this great day of Sahasrara. May God bless you all.
कृपया ध्यान की अवस्था में बने रहें। जय श्री माता जी। हम सब श्री आदिशक्ति का मंत्र लेते हैं। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। जय श्री माता जी। अब आरती की तैयारी करते हैं। लेट अस प्रिपेयर फॉर आरती।
सुख ही मिला उसको, बैठक दिल में ओ माँ, बैठक दिल में ओ माँ, लौट के ना जाना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। मानव में अवतर के कर दिया उजियारा माँ, कर दिया उजियारा। कलियुग में माया है, कलियुग में माया है, फिर भी पहचाना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। संत जनों की धरती है भारत माता, माँ है भारत माता। इस धरती पर आकर, इस धरती पर आकर, दुख से दूर करना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जब दिल में आए तब मधु संगीत सुन लो माँ, मधु संगीत सुन लो। होय सके जो सेवा, होय सके जो सेवा, हमसे करा लेना माँ, सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना माँ, सबको दुआ देना। श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी
श्री
निर्मला नमो नमः त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कलकी साक्षात् श्री स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माता श्री निर्मला नमो नमः श्री निर्मला नमो नमः श्री निर्मला नमो नमः बोलो श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय।
कृपया ध्यान की अवस्था में बने रहें और चैतन्य को ग्रहण करें। जय श्री माता जी। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी के श्री चरणों पर प्रार्थना अर्पित करते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आज का ध्यान हम आपके श्री चरणों में समर्पित करते हैं। श्री माता जी, आपने हमें आत्म साक्षात्कार दिया, परम चैतन्य से आशीर्वादित किया, हमारे सभी चक्रों पर देवताओं को स्थापित किया और हमारा सहस्रार खोलकर हमें परमात्मा के साम्राज्य में स्थित किया। इन सब के लिए हम आपके ऋणी हैं। श्री माता जी, आप हमें प्रेम और करुणा की शक्ति प्रदान करें, हमें क्षमाशीलता दीजिए। श्री माता जी, कृपा करके हमारा चित्त हमारे हृदय में स्थिर कीजिए, प्रकाशित कीजिए। श्री माता जी, हमारे हृदय में जो भी दोष है कृपया इसे निकाल दीजिए और हमारा हृदय शुद्ध कीजिए। श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा में सभी को अबोधिता प्रदान करें। श्री माता जी, कृपा करके आप हमें आपके निराकार स्वरूप में स्थापित कीजिए, हमें सूक्ष्मता प्रदान करें। श्री माता जी, हम सब हमारे सारे चक्र और नाड़ियाँ आपके श्री चरणों में समर्पित करते हैं। कृपया हमें आदर्श सहयोगी बनाइए। श्री माता जी, हमारे प्रार्थनाओं का स्वीकार करें और हमें आशीर्वादित करने की कृपा करें। आपके श्री चरणों में हमारा कोटि कोटि नमन। जय श्री माता जी। सामूहिक बंधन लेते हैं। लेट अस हैव कलेक्टिव बंधन। जय श्री माता जी। आज के कार्यक्रम इस तरह है। आज शाम को 5 बजे लर्निंग सेशन में हिंदी में स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र के बारे में नए साधकों के लिए जानकारी दी जाएगी और शाम का ध्यान शाम 7 बजे प्रतिष्ठान पुणे से प्रसारित होगा। जैसे कि हम जानते हैं, कुछ दिन के लिए मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग मेडिटेशन इस दिए हुए वेबसाइट पे प्रसारित हो रहा है। कृपया इसकी जानकारी आप सभी सहयोगियों को दे दें। सहयोगा चैनल और सहयोगा.org.in इस पर ये प्रोग्राम्स प्रस्तुत हो रहे हैं। आज का ध्यान यहीं पे संपन्न होता है। अब हम भजन संगीत का आनंद लेते हैं। आज का दिन सबको आनंदमय मंगलमय रहे। जय श्री माता जी।
कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ 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 सब सहजन को सुखी करो माँ। कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ सब सहजन को, सब सहजन को, सब सहजन को सुखी करो माँ। कृपा करो श्री माँ। कृपा 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 करो 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 कृपा करो श्री माँ। रे गम रे गम रे 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 म रे ग प म रे ग ग म प प द नि ध प द ग म रे ग रे सा कृपा करो श्री माँ। कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय 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 माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। कृपा करो श्री माँ जय जय माँ कृपा करो निषाद शरण लगा दो मध्यम निषाद मध्यम निषाद शरण लगा दो मध्यम निषाद निषाद शरण लगा दो लयस्व ताल बंदी बना दो ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे मोरा सबका लगे श्री जय माँ कृपा कृपा करो श्री माँ जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ जय माँ कृपा करो श्री कृपा करो श्री माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ जय माँ कृपा करो श्री कृपा करो कृपा करो कृपा करो श्री माँ श्री माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ जय माँ कृपा करो श्रीमान कृपा करो श्रीमान जय मां कृपा करो श्रीमान कृपा करो
re ga ma pa tha ga ma ga ni sa re ga ma ga re ga ma re ga re ma ga re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma dha ni ra pa ga pa ma ga ma ga
कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। श्री माँ श्री माँ जय माँ कृपा करो जय माँ। श्री माँ श्री माँ श्री माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ। मध्यम निषाद षड्ज लगा दो। मध्यम निषाद षड्ज मध्यम निषाद षड्ज लगा दो। मध्यम 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 निषाद मध्यम निषाद मध्यम निषाद षड्ज लगा दो। मध्यम निषाद षड्ज लगा दो। लय स्वर ताल बंदी 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 बना दो। बंदी बना दो। मध्यम निषाद षड्ज लगा दो। लय स्वर ताल बंदी बना दो। ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे। ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान लगे ध्यान 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 लगे ध्यान ध्यान लगे ध्यान धान लगे धान लगे धान लगे धान लगे मोरा 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 धान लगे धान लगे धान ध्यान लगे श्री माँ जय ध्यान लगे श्री माँ जय जय माँ कृपा करो श्री माँ, 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 श्री माँ, श्री माँ।